Welcome back, everybody. This is Sandy Sauve, and you should be excited because that's right. We've uploaded a new exclusive um, video report from our friend Paulie B. And it's the free traffic report. If you've been following along, List Mastery, this is part 2, and he's going to share with us the success sequence on how to make money on the internet with affiliate marketing, or if you're trying to build your own business online and you're trying to learn the basics of how to do that and get traffic, this is a exciting video. I just reviewed it again. I've watched it and listened to it. Actually, I had to pay for it a few years ago from Paul for a few $100s. But now he's given me exclusive rights to upload this. So without further ado, let's go in to check on what Paul's got in List Mastery Part 2 of his free traffic report and learn about the success sequence in making money online.
Hey, friend and buddy. List Mastery Part 2. What you see on the screen right now, I want you to get familiar with this. I'm going to be showing it to you several times, this diagram, throughout the whole course. And the reason for that is because this is the success sequence that you need to grasp, understand, and most importantly, implement if you want to have true success on the internet without all the frustration. Okay? Now, I know that I'm going to be throwing some things at you later on, and you might even get freaked out by seeing this diagram. It's not important that you understand that you need to get all this stuff right away because you have unlimited access to these videos. It probably will take you a couple times to really watch them a couple times to really grasp what we're actually doing here. But it'll all start to make a lot of sense if you listen to my voice, watch these diagrams, and picture what you did before compared to what I'm showing you how to do here. It'll make common sense that this makes more sense and it gives you the better chance for success online. Okay, so this is a success sequence. I'm just going to grab my drawing tool here so I can explain everything to you. Okay, so this is generally what happens, right? You use targeted traffic, and these are the different things that I teach in some of my courses and stuff: paid solos, free solos, ad co-ops, ad swaps, pay-per-click advertising, media buys, mass media network buys, social media ads, banner redirects, all kinds of pay-per-view, all kinds of different stuff, right? Now, and everything else that maybe you use on your own. It doesn't really matter. But using good targeted traffic and getting people to your website or your capture page in this case, okay? And that's what you guys do, just like I talked about in part 1. Most people do that. You know, Frustrated Fran does that. Everybody does that. Okay? So then you send them to your capture page, okay? This is the success sequence, not to your website, not to your company or anything like that. You send it to a squeeze page, a capture page. Okay, and it will capture the information. Don't worry about detail. What does it say? Where do I get them from? How do you make them? Do you provide them? All that kind of stuff. Don't worry about that. I'm taking you through the steps on how to do it. This is the theory first. Okay, all of this will be laid out and simple for you to do. I've made it so easy, cookie cutter basically. Okay, so but I need you to understand it so you can believe it and make sense to yourself, so that you'll actually follow through and you can have success. That's my goal here, is to help you have success. Okay, doing it the right way. Targeted traffic to the capture page. Automatically, when they complete the capture form, they are redirected to your primary offer. And remember what we talked about yesterday, the primary offer is high converting and preferably less than 50 bucks. Okay? High converting mean general interest. A lot of people that come to the page, especially if you're in the niche, what we talk about training in, which is the internet marketing or make money online industry, you want them to come to a general interest, as big a wide interest as you possibly can, because then your higher conversion on your primary offer is designed to pay for all that targeted traffic. Okay? At the same time, it gets databased in your autoresponder, okay, which you'll be setting up, and the series of letters in these series here gets sent to them on day 2, on day 1, day 2, day 3, and if you're adding more than letters than that for the same offer, you can. Okay? And it goes and tries to make a sale on your primary offer. Okay? High converting, general interest offer, less than 50 bucks. Okay? And that's designed to pay for advertising. Now, we know though that only a small percentage will actually convert on that offer. Now, in general, most people get 1 to 3% to convert here, right? If you have a really good high converting things, I generally get anywhere from 5 to 10%. Okay, which is not crazy or anything based on that. I have a really high converting offer that I put as my primary pretty much 95% of the time. Okay, especially if it's in the internet marketing, make money online industry. So instead of getting the 1 to 3%, I get the 5 to 10. But even 1 to 3 on your part, even no matter what offer it is you come up with, that'll be good. Okay. Now, knowing though that only 1 to 3 out of 100 are actually interested, okay, you need to offer other offers, which is your secondary offers. Now, secondary offers, you might have got 1 to 3 on your first offer, but maybe your second offer gets 1 to 3% too. So now you're actually converting 2 to 6%, which is much better, right? And again, the series of letters helps you convert to that high number, not just once, not just marketing one thing. Because remember, your second offer complements who's going into that list, but it's something different. Because if they aren't interested after 3, 5, 7 messages, chances are they're not interested in what you're offering as the primary. So you can make additional sales in the secondary, and that 1 to 3%. Let's just try to keep it modest. Okay, so 1 to 3 converted on the primary, another 1 to 3 converted on the secondary. Now you're up to 2 to 6%. If you have a third offer and the endless offers, so on your endless offers, let's say you had, I don't know, 5 more. Okay, so now you're converting another 6 to 15%. So now you're actually converting 8 to, let's say, 25, 28%. I mean, that's how this works. Okay, and don't worry if you don't understand this, but basically the sequence of letters go to a different offer, and I'll show you how to pick the offers and all that stuff. I just wanted to show you the diagram of the sequence of what happens, actually how you make money online. This is how you do it. Doing it any other way, I've found, and other people on the internet have found, it's harder. It's frustrating. It's a struggle. It's costly. I've seen people go poor because if they're using other sequences other than this. Okay? Don't do that. Step number 1 on just what I showed you. You pick your niche, and so these are the steps that you're actually going to start doing after this video. So on this video, you're not going to do any steps yet. I'm just talking in theory about them. Step number 1 would pick your niche. Now, I strongly suggest you pick the internet marketing or make money niche, like I mentioned before, to start with for training. But I want you to understand that this concept, the success sequence, works with any market, any niche you want. If you want to sell how to make potato guns, same process. You want to sell weight loss products, same process. You want to build network marketing, same process. You want to build sell digital products, same process. You want to sell quit smoking, same process. You want to sell beauty and products or clothing or beads or necklaces or jewelry, whatever, same process you use on the internet. Okay? But the easy way and the most generic way to teach it is to talk about one specific market, and that one is the easiest, which is internet marketing and make money online. I've made over $15 million, not all of it from just this one niche, but a very high percent, a good 10 to 12 million of that came from this. Okay? Step number 2, find related offers, which we'll do in future videos. And you find offers in that niche. So if we're talking internet marketing, we want offers that are related to internet marketing. Tools, products, opportunities, software services, things like that. If we're doing it in the money-making industry, we want things that can show people how to make money and tools that they'll need to be able to make money with. Make kind of sense, right? Offer them what they're interested in. And now, I suggest that you find multiple offers, usually 3 to 5 to get started, but you'll always want to find endless offers. So generally, I tell all my students to do 3 to 5 offers. If you're not interested in finding offers on your own, we detail them down later in another video, but also too in the resources below, you can just copy basically what I'm doing. Okay? So you find 3 to 5 offers to get started. Don't sit around taking weeks and weeks to get all your offers together. You should be able to do that task when we get to it. Not yet. When we get to it in step 3 video, you're going to be able to find those within half an hour to 2 hours maximum. Okay? And you want them to be low ticket, $10 to $49. Okay? Something less than 50, but around that $10 to $49. Okay? Because that's usually you're going to get the high converting ones there, which is the primary goal as you put them in your list. You should also add at least one medium ticket, and that's 50 to 99, and the reason is because then you're going to get higher commissions on that. So after, in your sequence, you might want to find one in there. You don't have to, but I would suggest it. And also, too, you should have a continuity offer. Okay, and a continuity offer allows you to get paid monthly residual commissions from it. So let's give you an example. Let's say a guy buys a product for $25, okay, which is one of my highest converting offers. It's at $25. So at $25, I get monthly commissions on the $25. So I get 25, 25, 25. So if I got 10 customers, I can make it 250. I add another 10 customers, now I'm making 500 a month. Okay. So it just keeps adding up to it, creates residual income, and it makes a really nice, steady cash that makes your girlfriend happy, makes your wife happy. It's steady cash flow coming in every month. Okay. And then the other things you can market is, of course, are network marketing programs. And we'll talk more about the offers and that in the step 3 or part 3 video. Okay. Now I know what you might be saying. I don't like network marketing, whatever. It's not the point of that. It's the fact that you could be offering these kind of things. Okay. Step 3 in the process would be picking your lead offer, and I strongly suggest the lead offer is less than $50. Like for instance, my lead offer is $25. Okay, it's a nice range that everybody can afford, but it also it gives off exactly what the product is offering and lots of value for that $25. So it converts high, lots of value, decent price, lower price than the value is, converts lots. Okay, make it general interest, and what I mean by that is, and we're talking primary offer here, remember. Okay, we're not talking about secondary endless offers and all that stuff. We're talking about primary offer. The primary offer should be general as possible, like taking the average person and showing them how to make money online. Okay, what do those people need? They don't know how to do it, so it would help if you marketed something that helped them do it. Okay, showed them how to do it. Cookie cutter, turnkey, step by step, franchise type thing. Something that generally can help the person make money online, rather than being specific and saying affiliate marketing or selling certain types of items or certain different types of products. Try to be general. When you try to market with your primary offer as a network market, don't get me wrong, I love network marketing and I'm in lots of network marketing companies and have made millions of dollars in network marketing. But think about this. It's too specific of the offer. So for instance, let's say you were marketing a network marketing company of weight loss products, but you were trying to teach people how to generally make money. Well, that's not general, that's weight loss make money. So if only the population, only 1% is also interested in losing weight, they're probably not going to convert. So I would hold off putting your network marketings as your primary offers because they're too specific. Okay, more in general, how to make money. So he's looking to make money. Guess what you want to give him? How to make it. Okay, not with products and services because that'll confuse him. He wants to try to make money, not buy stuff. Okay. Step number 4: get your affiliate links. Now, when you sign up for each affiliate program, as you find your offers, again, I haven't asked you to do that yet, and that'll be in the next video. They provide you with links. Okay, so whenever they'll email it to you, or they'll send it to you in the email when you join the affiliate program, and they're free to join. And then, or when you sign up, they'll let you in the members area, and they have affiliate links in there. Okay, and here's why. Now, this is basic stuff. So a lot of you guys, have been around the block a little bit, so this will kind of sound like really medial. But when your prospects click on that affiliate link and buy the product or service from that company that you're representing, you get paid. That's how they track it. Okay, the affiliate link is how they track it, because I know some of you guys are saying, well, duh. Okay, but it's not for you. We got a lot of newbies taking this course. So that's how you get paid, right? It has a little tracking code on it. A username is attached to that link, and that's how they know you sent them there, and that's how you get credit for the sale. Okay? Step number 5 is the 3 emails. And the 3 email system is really basic and simple. A lot of people say, well, what do I say in the email? Where do I get the emails from? Don't worry, we're going to show you how to do all this cookie cutter type stuff. So you don't need to, really think too much on that. Email number 1, I always like to put the announcing what you have. So, hey, I got something new or whatever, and we'll go through more of how to do that later in the other videos. Email number 2 is this is how it will help you, what benefits them, list off the benefits. Okay, and email number 3 is I like to always give them a last chance. Like, this may not be offered anymore, limited time, time's running out. Here's my last email about this, that kind of thing. And it usually gets more open rate when I do that, or open before midnight tonight, or you may never see this again, stuff like that. They'll open it. Okay. Step number 6, repeat for each step. Now, I know what you guys are saying. Wow, there's a lot of steps, and he's going too fast, and I'm never asking you to do anything yet. I'm showing you the overall picture first, and then we can actually go do things starting in the next part. Okay, so step number 6, repeat that for each offer, what I just talked about. So you'd write 3 emails for each offer, or use the swipe files that you can get from most marketers and including myself below. Okay, don't skip ahead. Can you have more than 3 emails? That's what I get asked lots of times. Can it be more than three? Yes, it's your business, so you can put as many in there. But I will warn you of this: the rule that I use is between 3 and 10. That's it. I've never usually market anything more, especially in a row, more than 3 to 10 times. So 3, 5, 7 is really good, and sometimes on occasion I've gone up to 10. Okay, but 3 to 5 is plenty for you to do it, but there's no rule. Anything less than that, you're just like an amateur marketer. So 3 for sure. You need at least 3 follow-ups on the same offer on the primary, secondary, or your endless offers. Okay? So that's it. We're at your homework. Now, again, I know what you're saying. Well, there's no homework because I didn't ask you to do anything. Okay? I wanted to teach you the steps first, and we're going to break those steps starting out tomorrow in part 3 in the next video below of List Mastery course. And I want you to take that and we're going to break it into pieces so it's not overwhelming for you. See, I am a good coach and I am nice. But most importantly, I'm teaching you the truth about how people make money online, and it's through list mastery. Okay? You excited? Awesome. Now you know all the theory. Now you know how it all kind of comes together and works. Now it's time to take action and start to putting it together tomorrow so that you can use this and you can really become a professional marketer online, and most importantly, start to make some real money online. Okay? Thanks again, and I will see you on part 3.
Wasn't that great stuff from Paul B? Well, if you don't want to miss any more of the episodes coming to you from this channel, you need to subscribe to the channel below. Click below this video to the right of your screen, and if you click the little bell, it'll also give you notifications when I upload the new edited versions of future episodes and parts from List Mastery that Paul is providing us here exclusively at this channel. Now, wasn't it great about the success sequence? I know it's going to come together for you because in part 3 of List Mastery, he's going to go through how to find affiliate products to be able to put in that sequence, join these programs for free, and put the affiliate links, how to get your affiliate links and put them in there so that you can start making lots of money online. Okay, I know, and hopefully you've been enjoying this content, this valuable content that is exclusively here only at Sandy Sauvé's channel here at YouTube. So make sure that you subscribe to the video so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, episodes, and most importantly, the free traffic reports from Paulie B.